Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manny Jr., aka Ecstatic Flow, and today I'm bringing you a bring muscle up tutorial that you're gonna love. Follow me. Okay guys, so to be able to perform the muscle up on the rings, we need to be able to at least do 10 pull-ups, 10 dips. So we need to have a moderate amount of strength to so we can pass into a move like that, because it's a little bit more advanced than other calisthenic moves. So I'm gonna explain the first step, which is the false grip. It's a technique that most gymnasts use to be able to accomplish this move. It's a very tricky move, but once you get it, you're gonna be doing ring muscle ups all day long. To get the false grip, first you have to basically pass, your hand through the ring and place your wrist on top of the ring, and then brace the ring to where your knuckles are basically facing horizontal. And from there, do the same thing with the other. Pass it, sit it on top of the ring. Okay guys, the second step will be high pull-ups. So what helped me a lot to get the strength, to gain the strength into the ring muscle up, was you get into the false grip first of all. That's the first step, false grip. Very important. And then from here, you try to pull as high as you can into your chest. Pull into your chest. High pull to the chest. And we're gonna do at least 5 reps of high pull-ups on the rings, always holding into your false grip, because that's gonna help us with the momentum to create that transition into the dip. So, second, high pull-ups. Be the transition, and this particular move is very tricky. This is where I struggled the most when I started learning about ring muscle ups. I'm gonna show you what helped me the most, and that is assisted. You lower your rings where you can place your feet on the ground. You keep in holding that false grip, and you're gonna come into what we call a Australian pull-up. Okay, we're gonna pull to the chest, straighten your arms, false grip, pull, straighten your arms. You can come a little bit higher as well, so you can get a better transition technique. From here, basically coming from an Australian pull-up, pulling into your chest, and then from here twisting your arms and your wrist, and that's going to create the space so you can come into a dip. Okay guys, this is going to be the 4th step, and for me one of the most important. So I'm going to show you how to come from a dip all the way up, lock elbows, coming slowly down with the false grip into basically stretch arm, hanging. So this is how it looks. Like I said before, you can lower your rings to be able to do this easier. So you jump into a dip, locked elbows, always looking forward, facing front. We come down with the false grip here, transition into your chest, and then come down all the way onto your arms are completely stretched. Okay, that particular move is super important. I'm going to show it one more time. Jump into the dip, lock your elbows, your core engaged all the time, coming down into your chest, and this is the transition part where you hold into the false grip, hold it here into your chest, go all the way down until you straighten your arms completely, okay? And obviously I'm coming down into an L sit here because I'm showing it with lower rings, but normal rings are high, you're gonna come into a completely straight body position. Okay guys, and I wanna emphasize the importance of straight arm strength. Every time you go into that dip, just make sure you lock your elbows all the way. Okay guys, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a like. If you have any comments, any questions, just down below, go ahead and do that. And make sure you stay with it, be consistent with this particular move especially. So ecstatic flow, Manny Jr. On to the next one.